In this video, we're going to show you how to install wiper blades on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located at the base of the windshield. We're going to lift up your wiper arm. And this particular wiper blade is held on. We have a little pinch cap on the top. So on the leading edge, you're going to pinch here on both sides and lift up. Now hold on to the wiper arm, don't let it drop down. Grab your wiper blade and pull towards you. And you're going to unhook it from the J hook right here and then slide it forward out of the cap. So you want to make sure that the wiper middle section here has the ramped section facing up. Feed the J hook into the front of this. Now at this point here, you would have pushed the wiper blade further up on the J hook. You'll feel it and hear it snap into place. Just give it a little wiggle, make sure it's secured. Go ahead and set that down into place and repeat for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.